Right, I'm doing some work on the pond, guys, again. Just thought to show you the sunshade sail in action. There you go, that's the shade we're getting. Obviously it's doing its job, giving me some shade over the seating area. As you can see, it's nice and bright. So that's the sunshade. It's staying in place reasonably well. You can obviously get some metal ties that will make this more taut, but it's good enough using the rope for my purpose. So I thought I'd show you what I'm up to in the pond. Obviously the fish are doing well. They're actually coming to me now instead of swimming away. Giving you a bit of an update on the actual spillway. I'm going to be replacing that with a metal one. Now some people have said it won't be any quieter. Obviously you can hear it's quite noisy, but I'll show you some examples of what a blade can sound like compared to what I've built here. So let's move over to what I've got a problem with at the moment. So as you're aware, I've been using these donut ring filters that you can purchase off Amazon. Right guys, I'm just doing a bit of a clean out here with the brushes and the sponges, and I've noticed it's a bit mucky in there, so I thought I'll get in there and clean it up. Unfortunately I got a bit of a problem. These sponges that are designed to go into your pressure filter systems, for some bizarre reason, this green one I've got is literally falling apart and disintegrating. So it seems the blue ones and the white ones are fine. It's just these green ones are literally disintegrate. Let me show you what I mean. So let me try and pull it out. Look at that, look at this. That is literally disintegrating in my hand. You know, a sponge is not supposed to do that. But the blue is fine. No, the blue is fine. No problems with it. Obviously this is the normal aquarium filter material which I use. That needs a bit of a clean. Just chuck it over there for the time being. But yeah, let me just show you what I mean. Look at this. This sponge is literally disintegrating as I try and lift it out. Look at that. So let's get that out. It's not very good. Oh, look at that. Look. This is actually being in the water. Look at that disintegration. Whoa. That's not good at all. So that's what's happened to the sponge, guys. For some reason, I don't know why it's happening, but these green ones are literally disintegrating into pieces. So let's just chuck that over there. Let's get these bits out. Like I said, look at that, guys. It's disintegrating in my hand. However, if I get this out, look, it's fine. This white one. There's nothing wrong with the white one. Typically in the pack you'll get one blue one, one white one and two green ones, and both of the green ones are literally disintegrated. So that's the white one, which seems fine. And I've got another white one here. Again, it's mucky, don't get me wrong, it needs a clean, but it's alright. So let's get my blue one. There you go. Again, it's mucky, but it's not disintegrated. It just needs a clean. So you know, that's the coarse blue one. The white ones are the fine one, and the green ones are the intermediate ones. So yeah, there's a lot of muck in here. I need to clean. Get cleaned out, but essentially, yeah, the green just seems to disintegrate. I don't know why that is, but I just wanted to show you that. Because, yeah, it shouldn't be doing that. So those are donut ring filters is designed for your circular pressure filters. You know, Oazi do them, Laguna do them, other brands make them. So yeah, so you just be mindful of these replacement ones, that the green ones are not that great. So my advice is buy 2 packs, use the white ones, use the coarse blue one, but chuck the green ones because they disintegrate. Right guys, just before you go, I'm going to do a giveaway today, which is my Yorkshire koi mug. So just so you guys can see it up close, that's the mug. So to be in a chance of winning that, all you've got to do is leave in the comments, how did I build my skimmer box? I've done it differently. In regards to the silicone, how did I put the silicone on? So you have to go and check out one of my older videos to see how I put it together. In the comments, let me know how I put it together. How did I do it differently to a normal cottony koi skimmer box? And I'll basically do a draw out of a hat, and the lucky winner will win this mug. Now, if you're an international subscriber or viewer, what I will do is ask for your PayPal account detail, and I'll send you £10 directly to your PayPal account if you're the lucky winner. So basically, if you're in the UK, you get the mug. If you're in another country, I'll send you £10. That's the best I think I can think about giving away. Hopefully the competition will be nice for you guys to win something. Yeah, so again, the question is quite simply, how did I put my skimmer box together, the cottony koi one, in relation to how did I put the silicone on? If you get the order right, I will give away the mug or give you 10 quid. It's up to you, which you prefer. Obviously in the UK you get the mug, because I can get that sent via Vistaprint. Or if you're not in the UK, I think it's only fair I just send you £10. That way, you know, it's quick and easy. Anyway, thanks for your time, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.